Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make the text bigger in Capcut Desktop. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Making the text bigger in the Capcut Desktop, which is the PC version, is a common technique that could help emphasize key messages, titles, or subtitles within your video. So once you open the Capcut app, I want you to click the Create a New Project to begin your work. Or if you have already a project in place, just click on it to begin editing. Now, I'm working with this specific video and I want to enlarge the text so that I could ensure that the audience can read it more easily, especially when this video is viewed on smaller screens or from a distance. So I would like to adjust the text size so that it can improve the visual appeal of my video, making it more engaging and dynamic. So for me to be able to do that, it's kind of really simple. All I have to do is click the text button here on the top corner, and then what will happen is click the plus button to create a text. Now I'm going to put in something here. And while doing that, obviously I need to say, for example, I'm going to use the enter keys, press enter so that you can segment the text right here. So it's kind of like easy to follow, right? So with that being placed, I want you to minimize the timeline. You can zoom out, so it's kind of be like easier to read the scrub here, and then move the playhead from the very beginning. Let's see what we got from here. So paste the text here. I'm gonna make it so when you use the arrow keys right here, the cropping factor, you can use it to zoom out the text. All right, so that's one way for you to use it. Of course, you can go to the font style. Maybe we can choose from another something here. It's up to you, depending on your preference. For example, this, I'm gonna use this for now. Maybe this one. It's up to you, all right? Your options are not limited. For example, this. If you want, again, to make the text bigger, you can do that by pressing this, or go to the scale section. You see the scale section? You can simply bump it up all the way through. Or you can put in an interval here, a numerical value, so that you can increase the text bigger depending on your preferences. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.